So I want to create a wardrobe for each character in my series. Outfits that actually show their personality. I could buy their clothes, but because I live in New Zealand, SD prices and shipping get expensive fast. So instead, we're using old human clothes to make new Barbie outfits. And because it's summer here in New Zealand, we're creating 4 weekend vibe looks. Now, this isn't a sewing tutorial. I think YouTube has enough of those. But I've linked any patterns I've used down below in case you want to recreate the look. So these are the characters we're working with. So May is super casual. Hana is preppy. Jessie has got that I want to be fashionable so badly kind of attitude. And Laurie, well, of course, the 4th cousin who's just come on the scene, is going full influencer aesthetic. But we're going to start with May. I went to Pinterest for inspiration, and May style is all about comfort mixed with street, baggy jeans and a simple tee. I had these old kid jeans that were too small and too stained to rehome, so they're perfect for this. For the jeans, I used this pattern from Ashley Crafts. It is really easy to follow. I am going to add side pockets to give it more of a cargo vibe. For the t-shirt, I adapted a pajama pattern that I'll be using again for Jessie and Laurie. And yes, I don't know why it says 80. The reference photo had an 80 on it. I liked it, so here we are. I just printed the image, covered it with this white sticky foil and glued it on. Super easy. Okay, this is an outfit I'm pretty sure my actual teen owns. The pants, the jeans, I feel like I've put the pockets up a little bit too high. I feel like they should have been at the knees. I thought I was putting them at the knees. That's my only thing with these jeans, which is my own fault. It's not even a part of the pattern. The jeans came out really, really cool. Did I nail her look? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so we're going to put you over there. And now we're going to move on to Hana, who is pretty organized and put together. So she definitely has a preppy vibe going on. I actually adapted an old Barbie dress for this. I separated the top, collar, and skirt, something I did a while ago. And this sweater is made from a sock, and I added the collar to give it that classic preppy look. Yep, this feels very Hana. I added a headband because I just felt like she would be the kind of girl that wears a headband, and I just put on a Barbie watch because Hana would have the time. Of course she would have the time. But I think the outfit is super cute. The only thing that I should have done is maybe made little socks for her shoes, but we never see their feet, so I'm not really worried about that. What do you think? Do you think I matched her personality? Okay, moving on to Jessie. She wants to be noticed and she wants to be a trendsetter, but she tries a little bit too hard. She just gets carried away in her main character moment. So for the hoodie, I'm using old thermal pants and the same Yee Yee Fashion Dolls pajama pattern I used early for the top. I cut it a little larger because Jessie needs it long and baggy. Before sewing, I want graphics. So like I did with May's outfit, I made these in Canva and mirrored them. And then I printed them out and added the white foil to the back. So I cut them out and glued them on. I don't have any iron-ons for dark fabric or a circuit. So this is my DIY solution using what I already have. The skirt is a self-made, no pattern. I just used 3 strips from an old brown cardigan and it came out like this. Honestly, I really love it. It's definitely giving off trendsetter, but in a high school way. What do you guys think? Are you liking these outfits? They're all so different, but very, I could see in high school on kids in today. So yeah, I really like them. Okay, our last character is Laurie, who is new to the show. They're all cousins. Well, these 2 are sisters and obviously these 2 are the cousins. But she is actually a fashion influencer on Dolpstagram. So we need an outfit that reflects that. And I saw this outfit. It was so Laurie. It's exactly what I wanted. So I'm recreating it using an old t-shirt. The top, I'm using the same pattern as the other t-shirts. But the skirt, I'm using a pattern by Marie Ebri Lebrun. I don't know if I'm saying that right, from Pinterest. Technically not a Barbie pattern, but it works well. I've just adapted it so I can add a drawstring waist. Okay, this this turned out way better than I expected. She is definitely giving I am someone energy. I did do a CSB style kind of iron on, but it did not turn out very well. But we're just going to go with it because I think it's the t-shirt ribbing stuff. It probably hasn't stuck very well, but I mean, it's still good. I did have some sock with the shoes, but I'm using 2 different materials because I had 2 different socks. That's all I had. I literally need to make some socks. She's definitely giving influencer vibes. So here are all the girls and their summer weekend vibes look. May's casual street style, Honey's preppy summer outfit, Jessie's trend chasing moment, and Laurie, our luxury queen. Whose weekend outfit do you love the most? And which one could you actually see yourself wearing? Let me know what outfit I should make next. Or if you have any other video ideas, drop them in the comments. Have a great week. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!